Hello, this is Annie with Seed System Solution. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a new custom attribute. If you don't see any of the menu options that I'm referencing today, please contact the admin user within your organization for assistance on getting the menu or tab options. Custom attributes is a way to build your own data tracking fields. It's currently within customers, bookings, and vendors. And we can use these custom attributes as filters on some reports. If you do not see a filter option that you feel you need at this time, please contact us and we can work with you on adding a filter to that report. The process is going to be the same in all of the locations, so I'm just going to show you one today. To find it, you're going to go into your main menu and either go to your customer, your booking, or your vendors. Then you're going to go into your customer detail. And from there, you're going to go to your Custom Attributes tab. Once on your Custom Attributes tab, you should see this card pop up. If you don't see it and you just see a grayed out screen, it may be because the card is opening in the wrong location because you have multiple monitors. If that happens, you can try and just pull down your customer detail and it might pull that card down with it. Please contact us if you're experiencing this and we can get a correction for that in place for you. Once here, if you have other attributes in place, you might see them. You can edit them by clicking in the attribute value or name fields and making any edits. You can create a new one by clicking the plus button. Here you're going to experience a drop-down list. This drop-down list is going to be any attributes that you've previously created for this type, such as if it's a customer, you're going to see just options for customers. Bookings, you'll see the bookings ones you've created. Same thing with vendors. Once here, you're going to select your custom attribute. And then you're going to select your value from your drop-down list. Or if you need to create a new value, you would just click again in the field. Your value list is going to go away, and then you can type in a new value. Once you click out, it will save that option, and now it's going to be as an option within any future custom attributes that you set up. The same would go for creating a new custom attribute. If it's not an option already in here, if you click a second time, your value list will go away, and then you can type in a new custom attribute. And when you click out, it will save that attribute, and now it will be an option in a drop-down list for any future times you set it up. To delete the attribute from the profile, you would use the trash can to delete that. Once you've set up your attributes to leave, you can select the back logo, and that will close your custom attribute. And again, as I mentioned, these attributes can be set up as filters for sales reports or booking reports related to bookings or reports related to the customer or vendor layouts. So again, if you don't see it on a report that you feel you need it, please contact us for assistance in setting that up. If you have any questions about Seed System Solution, please reference our other training videos. Email us at grow@seedsystem.co, or you can register for our free monthly Seed System support Zoom meetings.